Assalamualaikum, my name is Nazif Nazahan bin Zulkarnain and my ID number is 622122252286, and let me begin with an introduction to the selected case. So, our focus is on AirAsia Berhad, Malaysia's leading low-cost airline headquarters that located in Kuala Lumpur. The company built its reputation by making air travel affordable and also accessible across Asia, and they have expanded into areas such as cargo, ticketing, and travel packages. AirAsia is now more than just an airline. It is an evolving into a digital travel and also logistic platform. And next, AirAsia supply chain is facing three major challenges. First, supplier disruption, which is delays in aircraft deliveries and also engine servicing, which have grounded planes, limiting route expansion and also reducing fleet availability. This shows how dependent the airline is on external suppliers. Second, high logistic costs, which is rising fuel prices and also spare parts. And not to forget, airport fees are putting heavy pressures on AirAsia's low-cost model. These expenses reduce profit margins and also make it harder to keep tickets prices affordable. And third, sustainability and ESG pressure, which is AirAsia has committed to net zero carbon emission by 2050. Now, let me walk you through AirAsia's supply chain map. It begins with suppliers including aircraft manufacturers like Airbus, fuel providers, and also maintenance partners such as OEMs and MROs. From there, aircraft production and servicing move into manufacturers and maintenance facilities. Next, we have warehouse and distribution, which handles cargo and also spare parts before they are moved by logistic providers, truck, cargo, planes, and shipping partners. On the customer side, tickets and cargo services are sold through retailers and platforms, including AirAsia's online booking system and travel agent. Finally, these reach customers, both passengers and cargo clients. Supporting this flow are three key streams: product flow for goods and services, information flow for schedules and also tracking, and financial flow for payment across the network. And here we have the root cause of analysis AirAsia supply chain issues. The diagram highlights 5 main categories. Under people, challenges included limited training and employee resistance and a shortage of skilled labor. For process, we see inefficient procurement, poor forecasting, and also slow decision making. In terms of technology, outdated system, lack of integration, and also limited analytics are the key problems. And the supplier category points to OEM delays, parts shortages, and also maintenance delays. Finally, under environment, external pressures such as fuel prices hikes and regulatory demands and also limited access to green fuel are major contributors. AirAsia supply chain challenges require more than traditional fixes. They need smart technology. For demand forecasting, the issue is that the passenger and cargo number fluctuate unpredictably. By applying AI and machine learning, the airline can analyze pattern and external factors to anticipate demand more accurately, which help align operation with reality. In inventory management, the problem is spare part shortages that ground aircraft and disrupt schedules. Predictive analytics can track usage and also maintenance records, allowing the airline to prepare parts in advance and avoid costly downtime. Finally, logistics and transportation are strained by rising fuel costs and inefficient routes. AI optimization tools can process traffic, fuel, and scheduling data in real time, helping AirAsia plan smarter routes and streamline deliveries. So instead of reacting to problems, these technologies allow AirAsia to anticipate, prepare, and also operate more efficiently across its entire supply chain. AirAsia supply chain challenges required targeted solution, and also here are the key recommendations. The first step is to use AI demand forecasting so the airline can anticipate passengers and cargo needs more accurately, avoiding mismatch in scheduling. Next, predictive inventory system will help to ensure spare parts are available when needed. reducing downtime and keeping the fleet reliable. For logistics, AI optimization tools can streamline routes planning, making operations more efficient and also reducing unnecessary costs. The strength, transparency, blockchain and IoT technologies will provide real-time visibility across the supply chain, improving accountability and control. Finally, AI-powered customer service will enhance responsiveness and also making bookings smoother and improving overall passenger experience. Here is the implementation on roadmap for AirAsia's digital transformation. The phase 1, during the first 3 months, the supply chain and IT teams will begin with a data check and test AI demand forecasting. By phase 2, at 3 to 6 months, predictive analytics will be introduced to manage spare part more efficiently. In phase 3, between 6 and 9 months, AI tools will be applied to plan smarter delivery routes. Moving to phase 4, all 9 to 12 months, blockchain and IoT sensors will be implemented to strengthen supply chain visibility. Finally, in phase 5, beyond 12 months, customer service will be upgraded with AI chatbots and CRM systems. Now, AirAsia digital transformation isn't just about technology. It also raises important ethical, human, and sustainability considerations. First, there is demand uncertainty, which require careful planning to avoid overuse of resources and maintain fairness in operations. Second, transportation delays highlight the need for reliable systems that protect both customers and supplier from disruption. Third, supplier reliability is critical as smaller partners may struggle to meet digital requirements. So, inclusivity and support are essentials. Finally, global disruption, such as raising fuel prices and environmental pressures, remind us that sustainability will be integrated into every stages of the supply chain. To conclude, AirAsia's supply chain is facing significant challenges: unpredictable demand, spare part shortages, raising fuel costs, and inefficient routes. To overcome these issues, the airline must embrace digital transformation. This includes AI-driven forecasting, predictive inventory systems, logistic optimization, blockchain and IoT for transparency, and AI-powered customer service.